Our lovely FN2 in this morning. Now this is one that we've actually mapped. This has got a Japspeed 4-to-1 manifold and the Teguar 70mm system, which sounds gorgeous. It's got a, did you say TSS? TSS induction kit on it. It's on lowering springs. It's a lovely one, I'll tell you that. Yes, it's always good to see them. Keep tabs on them, look after them as much as we can. We did some poly engine mounts on this at some point this year. So yeah, what a beauty. Let's see what she makes.